Ever feel like your money just vanishes? You get paid, you have a vague idea of what you should be spending on, but by the end of the month, you're wondering where it all went. You're not alone. Managing money, especially budgeting, can feel overwhelming. There are so many apps, spreadsheets, and systems out there, it's hard to know where to start, let alone what's actually free. And that brings us to the question we're tackling today. Is there a free version of Goodbudget? Goodbudget is a popular budgeting app that uses the envelope system, a method that's been around for ages and is surprisingly effective. The idea is simple. You divide your income into different categories, like groceries, rent, entertainment, and so on, and then you allocate a certain amount of money to each category. Think of it like stuffing cash into envelopes, but digitally. It helps you visualize where your money is going and makes it much harder to overspend. But is this helpful tool accessible to everyone, regardless of their budget? That's what we're here to find out. Now, before we dive into the specifics of Goodbudget's free version, let's talk about why budgeting is so important in the first place. Think of your budget as a roadmap for your finances. It helps you see the big picture, identify areas where you might be overspending, and ultimately helps you achieve your financial goals, whether that's paying off debt, saving for a down payment, or simply having peace of mind knowing where your money is going. Without a budget, you're essentially driving blind, hoping you'll reach your destination without running out of gas. Goodbudget, with its envelope system, offers a tangible way to manage your money. It's not just about tracking expenses, it's about actively deciding where your money should go before you spend it. This proactive approach is key to successful budgeting. It forces you to prioritize and make conscious decisions about your spending. So, let's get back to the burning question, is there a free version of Goodbudget? The answer is yes. Goodbudget does offer a free version, which they call the free plan. This is fantastic news for anyone who's just starting out with budgeting or who wants to try out the envelope system without committing to a paid subscription. Now, what can you expect from the free version? It's not just a watered-down demo, it's a fully functional budgeting tool with some limitations. The free version allows you to manage one budget and connect up to 10 envelopes. This means you can allocate your income to 10 different spending categories. For many people, especially those just starting out, 10 envelopes are more than enough. You can easily categorize your essential expenses and still have room for some fun money. The free version also gives you access to Goodbudget's core features, including envelope budgeting, debt tracking, and goal setting. You can track your spending, see how much money you have left in each envelope, and even set financial goals, like saving for a vacation or paying off a credit card. These features are crucial for effective budgeting and are all available in the free version. However, as with any free service, there are some limitations. The free version of Goodbudget has a limit on the number of transactions you can enter each month. This limit is designed to encourage users to upgrade to a paid plan if they need more transaction capacity. For casual users or those with relatively few transactions, this limit might not be a problem. But if you're someone who uses your debit card for every small purchase or if you have a lot of transactions to track, you might eventually hit this limit. Another limitation of the free version is the lack of certain features available in the paid plans. For example, the paid plans offer unlimited envelopes, more accounts, and more reports. These features can be beneficial for those with more complex financial situations or those who want more detailed insights into their spending habits. The paid plans also offer features like bank syncing, which can automate the process of tracking transactions. While bank syncing isn't available in the free version, manually entering transactions can actually be a good way to become more mindful of your spending. It forces you to pay attention to where your money is going, which can be a valuable exercise in itself. So, who is the free version of Goodbudget ideal for? It's perfect for beginners who are new to budgeting and want to try out the envelope system without any financial commitment. It's also great for students, young adults, or anyone who's on a tight budget and wants a simple and effective way to manage their money. If you're comfortable with manually entering transactions and if 10 envelopes are enough for your needs, the free version of Goodbudget can be a powerful tool for achieving your financial goals. Now, let's address a common concern. Is the free version really free? Are there any hidden fees or catches? The good news is that Goodbudget is upfront about its pricing. The free version is genuinely free, and there are no hidden fees or surprises. They make money by offering paid plans with additional features for those who need them. This is a common business model for software and app developers, and it allows them to offer a free version to attract new users. If you find yourself using the free version of Goodbudget and you're consistently hitting the transaction limit, or if you want access to the features offered in the paid plans, you can easily upgrade to a paid subscription. Goodbudget offers different subscription options to cater to different needs and budgets. But the important thing to remember is that you're never forced to upgrade. You can continue using the free version for as long as it meets your needs. So, to summarize, yes, there is a free version of Goodbudget. It's called the free plan, and it offers a great way to get started with budgeting using the envelope system. While it does have some limitations, it provides access to the core features of Goodbudget, including envelope budgeting, debt tracking, and goal setting. It's a fantastic option for beginners, students, or anyone who wants a simple and effective way to manage their money without spending any money. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.